and I recommend Goat as long as they don't cancel your shit. Hey guys, it's me. So today we're going to be doing a shoe. Unboxing, and I ordered the, looking at my phones right here, my cute little phone holder. Hello. It's the women's Dunk High LX next Nature Toasty Pink Oxford, and I got mine in a size 8, and it was also, I believe it was like $150. I'm checking to see now if it says how much it was. I'm pretty sure it was $150. I don't know why this doesn't say how much it was. Oh, it was $130 subtotal, and then shipping was $13.50, and then tax was $7.80. So the total was $150, $130. And it got to me pretty soon. It wasn't that long of a wait. But here's the box. So this is the box. Says a whole bunch of stuff on it. I didn't read it, to be honest. Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. Okay, so yeah, it says the same thing. The colorway is pearl white / sail rattan. It's a okay. It's either rattan or rattan. I don't know, or not, or neither. I don't know. But like I said, I got a US size 8 in women's, and it took me by surprise. I've never ordered, well, that's a lie. I ordered from Goat, and then they canceled my order once. And I was trying to get like some strawberry sneakers. Anyways, so then this is my first order from Goat that I've gotten. So I was shocked when there was nothing in the box. Like, I mean, okay, it has the shoes in the box, but it doesn't have like any paper or anything. It's just the shoes sitting in here. Girl. Oh, not a hair on there. They also have like a Goat like little paper that has basically they check the authenticity and all that other crap. So are my hands, do they have makeup on them? I don't know, whatever. So oh, here it is. This is the card, and it just says like their little checklist, and these are punched out. Oh, there's nothing right there. I was about to say, why isn't this punched? There's nothing right there, but just like their punch list. And then you get this little Goat sticker. And then what else is this? Oh, it's just like the same thing that says on the box. But these are the shoes. And they're kind of like a, it's not really puffer material, but it looks like puffer material. It's just a little bit harder and like firmer than an actual puff material. But look at these, they're so cute, right? And in the inside they have like a fur lining, or is this fleece, or is that the same thing? I don't know, but it has a fleece lining. And then inside it says Toasty, if you can see that. I think it's upside down. Oh girl, well, you're gonna read it upside down today. Toasty. The inside tongue also has like the fleece lining right here. The tongue says the same thing the box says. And then there's like the little emblem right here. But yeah, I think these are really cute. Now I will say, oh, the bottom is also like a cream color. I will say that when I first tried these on, getting my foot in this bitch was kind of horrible. And I was like, what's going on? But no, they fit. Once they're on, they're really comfortable. I haven't worn them out, which is why I'm touching the bottom, because y'all know I'm not about that life. I do not touch shoe bottoms, but they're clean, so it's fine. And yeah, they came with the pink. I wish that they came with like this cream color lace as well, because I feel like that will look pretty here too, but the pink is really pretty anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, these are the shoe. Like I said, these were $130 like base. So yeah. So we've hit the portion of the video where we do a try on. So I will go ahead and insert that now. So yeah, all in all, I think that these are a really good purchase. They're super cute. And I kind of want to do an updated shoe collection as well. Sneakers and heels, because I bought some heels. I don't know if I ever uploaded my oh gosh, my Naked Wolf boot haul. I think I did. But I also got another pair that I need to unbox with you guys. But anyways, yeah, I think that these were a good purchase, and I recommend GOAT as long as they don't cancel your shit. But yeah, that was the video for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.